In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your Instagram story from everyone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at three lines and select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find Close Friends. We need to get into Close Friends before creating a story, and right over here all we have to do is just add one person, one Instagram account to your Close Friends. I recommend you to choose some celebrities account like Dwayne Johnson. The key here is just to select a user who for sure don't really care about your stories. After that, tap at Done. Then we can go to our profile and let's create a story. I'm just gonna choose some random video. And all we have to do now in order to hide that story from everyone is just tap at Close Friends to share this story with our close friends. You remember that in my close friends is just Dwayne Johnson as of now, so all of my another Instagram followers don't know that I have shared a story. Also, we can go to our story, tap at that icon, and now we can remove even that user from the users who are able to see that story. Once you are done with that, just tap at Done. That's how you can easily hide your Instagram story from everyone.